Alright guys, welcome back. You guys are about to watch me practice improve my drawing skills. Last time I've sketched Nina Simone. This time I am doing Madam C.J. Walker. So I'm going to show you all the mistakes I'm making, and the whole point of this is to watch me improve over time. The more you draw, the more better your skills get. So we're going to see how crazy this turns out, or if it actually turns out good. Keep watching and let's see what it looks like at the end. Alright, to me, this actually did not turn out that bad. So here's the things that I see I need to work on. Negative and positive spaces, that explains the patchy clothes. If I knew about that, then it will be a lot more smoother. And speaking of smoother, I definitely need to work on gradation, meaning shading from dark to light. So I'll be working on that and see how it turns out next time. If you know someone who would love a portrait of Madam C.J. Walker in their home, I have turned this into very affordable postcards that you can mail out to someone that you adore, a strong entrepreneur, any black woman, or any woman out there that adores Madam C.J. You can mail these out to them or keep them for yourself. Let's see how I do with my drawing skills the next time. Bye!